Hello, good evening family, good evening community. This night let us do opka. Opka Eungu. Share. Let's go there. Okay, here, that's our flour. We have finished sieving our flour. The next thing we are adding now is our red oil. You add your red oil inside the flour. In cooking opka, you have to be generous with your oil. Oil from then you add your warm water. You wash your hand very well. Spoon you must wash your hand. Use your hand. Turn it very well. You will turn for about 15 or 20 minutes. Add the remaining red oil. You can buy your man off from our. I can't before me. So but the manual video man appetizing in the eye. I am the ton, mix, mix. Wash your hand very well. Use your hand. Yeah, still turning as you can see. Pray for Kamanu today. You got done here very well. Everything naturally. I'm on for any white particle. Done it very well, so that everything will be white, and everything will be red, no white particle. Okay, this is warm water, not cold water, not ordinary water. The water has to be warm. You add water again. You add and mix until you get the texture you want. Mind you, the texture will not be running, it will be little slight ticking. When you pour water, you mix. That's how we roll it. So we are still adding water. As I said, we add one water, then we turn. This is how you will be doing it until you get the consistency you want. To cook better opka, it's not easy. So as you can see, we are still turning. You will just add a little bit warm water, you mix. Add a little bit warm water, you mix. Please don't make it to be too watery. If it's too watery, if your opka is done, one side will be soft, one side will be very hard. So don't make it to be too watery. See how this one is drying, although we still have a little bit water to it. The water is warm water. It's warm water we are adding. So now we want to add our pounded pepper. You add. We are adding our pepper now. Then we'll add our salt also. You mix. After mixing, you have to wash your hand, because if pepper enter your eye, hand no deal. I cannot do here. If pepper enter your eye, I am sorry. I can't do it. You see the texture we have here. So that is it. This is the Eungu. I did this spoon at all. You use your hand and turn it very well. For those that don't understand what I speak. Alright, we are moving. Our ministry is moving to the permanent site small. So as you can see, our opka is okay now. It's good to the time and cook. Please remember to take salt. Remember to test your salt before you start tying it. Okay, let's tie the opka. We are using nylon to tie. Some people are using kumkum. Depending on what you have. And me, I'm using nylon. See how it inside the pot that there is warm water. Don't put it inside empty pot though. If not, before you will tie everything, the ones you put in the pot will separate. Please add small warm water in the pot or in the bowl and be putting it inside until you finish tying all of them and they are ready to go inside the pot. That warm water will make it, the oil will not separate. Please. So we are about to put our okra inside the hot water. You have to shake it like this. Shake it like this, please, to avoid separation of oil. Shake, 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 shake. Then you put it inside your hot water. Like that. We go. Our okra is ready. See how soft this okra is. That's what I was telling you. If you want your okra to come out like this, please be mindful of the warm water you are putting. You see, very sweet and delicious. And when you compare it with Coke, you compare it with tea, you compare it with pap, depending on what you want to pair it. But for us, we are pairing it with pap this night. What is it now? We are pairing it with pap this night. Come and join us eat dinner. I love you all. Bye.